Okay, this is how wonderful our puppies are. This is our, what is she, 11 weeks old now?
I don't know.
She's the last of the puppies left. And
she's very submissive. Lay there. Lay your head there. Put your both arms up.
So if you wonder if you're getting a good puppy from the Marnie Jungle Sarah Schieber breeding club,
Yes.
we make sure that they come to you very submissive. They've been held since the day they were born. They've been snuggled and touched and tipped over and loved and loved and loved. And look at that baby. She's just so sweet. Aww. This is Izzy, and Izzy is going to South Carolina in 2 days. And we're going to miss her so much. Yes. Hi, baby. What a little teddy bear. What punker dunk. Is your desk? Hi. Hi, is your do?
Maya.
Izzy.
No. Do you want to go
And
outside?
she doesn't bark or talk like that annoying big dog. Izzy. Izzy. Hi. Is your do? I wish she'd cock her head.
Hi.
Say something funny to her. Make a noise. Baby dog. Aww. Okay. Well, she's definitely
Very well behaved.
Aww, baby girl. She sleeps with us every night.
Hi.
And I hope she loves her new home in South Carolina. Alright. Say goodbye, Izzy. Say goodbye. And this is her mama. Hi, Dilly.